Working with a team? DocHub Organizations give you one secure place to collaborate, manage, and store documents. Getting started is quick. Click Create New Organization, add a name. This becomes part of your custom URL. And pick the type that fits. Business for companies and professional teams, or academic for schools, staff, and students. Next, bring in your team. Add emails one by one, upload a CSV, or import contacts from Gmail, whatever's fastest. Assign roles so everyone has the right level of access, from viewing documents to creating them or managing the entire organization. Roles are tailored for both business and academic teams. And as the owner, you control who gets access to pro features. Then choose your plan. Pick the number of seats, go monthly or annual, and check out. From there, you can fine-tune your organization. Add facts if needed, upload your logo, and set custom colors to match your brand. And that's it. Your organization is ready. Upload documents, work with your team, and put every DocHub tool to work. Want to move deals even faster? Create a room for each transaction so documents, tasks, people, and activity all live in one place. Try DocHub Organizations today.